Hey guys! Okay, so this is me, Leia. Well, today is creek walk and I'm going to go meet up with my best friend, Jenica. She's so lazy, she doesn't like to walk, and she always has me meet her, but I love her even though she's a big pain in my ass. Love you, Jenica, but other than that, I'm gonna go meet her, her sister, and her cousin, and we're gonna go head over to creek walk and have a blast. And this weekend, we're going to Pride. So excited, but yeah, I'm just excited. I just want a new adventure and get out there and do something fun. Hi guys! Okay, so here's Jenica.
What's that?
The girl I was talking about earlier. And yeah, now I caught up with her weak ass. Oh! And she was barely leaving the house, so when I got there, she was just leaving. Which is stupid. Told you she was lazy.
This is my best friend.
So now we're on our way to creek walk. Woo! Woo! Okay.
Adventure time. Let's go.
Yes, and we're with
Shanicia.
Yeah.
Michaela.
And Michaela's all the way up there. Michaela!
Holler at the camera. Holler. What?
Yeah. White girl Jenica. Okay, so there's this weird looking hearse thing with a creepy ass face on it.
Oh, there's one on the other side too.
Oh my gosh.
And there's some more right here.
This is a creepy ass little hearse. Jenica, you're gonna die!
Looks like Ozzy Osbourne.
Oh my gosh. Ozzy Osbourne is gonna kill us! Ah! Oh my jeez. We're walking up to Creek Walk. Right there. Say hi. Being happy! Yeah, you know you want to. My little goose looking dumpling.
Fuck you.
It's okay.
My little goose looking dump. Oh.
Hi. Look at that guy skateboarding. Yay, we made it. We're at the creek walk. Yay. It's really, really hot right now. Can't stand it. I hate the hot weather. I'm just kidding. I love it.
Somebody's calling.
Somebody's calling. So Jenica.
Don't touch my phone.
Okay, we're
gonna
here. We're
flip it
walking
this
in
way.
right
Her having an attitude. Leia talking on the phone. Shanicia, I don't know what the hell she's doing. Does she have my phone? Yes, she has my phone.
now. Okay, so Leia's back on the camera after talking to her cousin. That you guys will see in like 2.5 seconds. Yay!
Hello.
Okay, this is Christian. Oh. Why?
Jason, you're fine.
Hi, baby. Okay. Zach! No!
This is my twin. I'll record
This is
it.
my twin. Ah! I got your face!
Okay, ready?
Yay! Be happy.
Is that Leia?
Hi, everybody. This is Summer, my really close friend that I had theater with and such. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, we're at the creek walk tonight. Yep, sorry. Bye! Yeah, so Jenica's eating something really weird looking. Really?
It's a potato. Oh yeah, hell no.
It's my family.
part too. Was that a letter? We never got a letter. We never got a
I got this funny chick on video.
I mean, cookie and eat the sandwich. I'm having a ball in this motherfucker. Hey, watch this shit. Hey, when Michael Jackson come on, I got ass.
Where is Michael
How you doing, huh?
I'm good.
How you doing?